Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the first class EVS lesson number 3. So in the previous class already we have completed our 2 lessons. Today let us know about the how the clothes are made from. How the different types of clothes are made from. That is the first one, the cotton clothes. So different types of clothes we have, not all the same. So if you go to the market or a shopping mall, so when you go there, then there are different types. The clothes are different types of clothes we have. So each type of cloth it is made from different types of fibers. So different types. So different clothes are made from different types. So different types of clothes also are used to make the cloth or used to make the clothes. So clothes also will come from plants. So children, what we are eating, the food also will come from the plants and animals. In the same way, the clothes also we used to wear, what we are wearing, so these also they are available from the plants and animals. So what is the item which we get from the plants and animals? That is the first one, cotton. So the cotton, the most important thing is cotton. So cotton, from where the cotton is coming from? Cotton comes from the cotton plant. Cotton will come from the cotton plant. So cotton is the white color will be the cotton. Have you seen that cotton, children? Yes, we have already know about the cotton. So, and do you know from where it is coming? Yes, that is from the plant only. That is available from the, not from the market, that is from the plant. So the cotton plants will be there. The farmer, they used to keep the cotton plants also. So the rice, the paddy, the food items they are coming, no. So like in the same way, the cotton plants also they have the big crops and the fields. They used to keep in the fields. So the cotton plants also we have. So from the cotton plant only we used to get the cotton. So they will take that cotton and they will prepare with the threads. So and then from the threads they will make the different types of clothes. The cotton clothes, the light clothes, and they will keep us cool. So that is from the plant. And the second one is the wool. The woolen clothes, sweaters, mufflers. How they are coming? From where they are coming? The wool, not from the market. So from the market also they have to get. From where they are getting all these? They are, do you know, have you seen that our grandmothers or any our close relatives, the old people, they used to knitting. They used to knit the sweaters. Some of them are knitting. Means the wool thread. Have you seen the wool? So from the wool only they used to knitting the sweaters. They used to weave the sweaters. So they have the 2 needles like that and they used to weave the sweaters from the wool. That is the thick thread will be there. Somewhat thick thread. So the wool thread will be there. The wool, so like this small balls like will be there. The wool. So different colors we have. So all how they are getting this thread wool? From the animal sheep. Have you know that? Do you know that about that? Yes, the sheep. From the sheep only. So how they are getting from the sheep? They won't kill the sheep. Just they will remove the hair from the sheep. The fur is there, no. For the animal, the sheep are there. Farm animals we used to grow in our houses also. But here in the not in our area, but in the north side, they are also used to keep them. They used to rear that animals, the farm animals, the sheep. So the whole body for them are covered with more fur. For us here in the South India, we don't have that much of fur for the animals, for the sheep. Just some little fur they have. But that side, north side, no, they have the sheep will have they will be looking this much of fat. The body will be the some only inside, but the fur will be that. Then how it will be looking like a grows very fatter and fatter. So the fur will be more fur. You can't able to see it's the sheep also now full, his body is full covered with fur. So more fur will be there. So what they used to do, they used to keep the machines and they will remove the fur. For every 6 months or for every 7 or 8 months they used to give the gap, and after that they used to haircut. So we are going for a barber shop and we are doing a haircut, no, the boys. So in the same way, they will also will get the haircut. The full fur all it will be removed by the machines. So they will remove all the fur and they used to clean up and they used to keep in the machines, and they will prepare that they will make the wool. The thread first they used to make the wool. So with that wool again they used to weave the sweaters, the monkey caps, the mufflers, the shawls, everything. So these all, so these because of that fur only our body. Why they have the more fur? Because the north side we have only the Himalayas. So the climate is very cool. So the animals they won't wear the blankets and the sweaters. So the fur only for them protective sheet. So they will remove. What we will do? We'll remove the fur from the body, and we'll. Do you know that children? In the more in the some of the countries which have the more very cold season, they used to wear the with fur only. Some of them they used to make some jackets also, leather jackets. So they used to wear like that. So all this coming from the animals. So the wool, who will use the wool for us? Sheep. The wool will use us, the sheep will use us wool for us. So here, so the cotton means the cotton plants. So children, the cotton it comes from the cotton plant, and the wool it comes from the sheep. So the animal only will use us the sheep. The raincoat means, children, the raincoat is a synthetic fiber. That is another different type of fiber. So we used to get the raincoat means that's a plastic. That different type of synthetic fiber. That is artificial fiber. So next, the dress we wear to our school. What is that we will call as? Yes, when we go to the school, what type of dress, children, we used to wear? Can we wear the civil dress and we go to the school? No. That the watchman only will say, no, don't come. What is this without school uniform? How you can come to the school? So our school rules, they never agree. So when we have to go for a school or a colleges, so what we have to wear, children? Yes, we have to wear another different type of dress. That is called as uniform. We used to say it is called as uniform. And uniform, not only the children used to wear, children, uniforms, not the others. Yes, there are so many people who wears the uniform. Do you know who are they? Can you name please? Yes, can you name some of them? Yes, some of the people they are policemen, the policewomen. Now during the corona time, the policemen, the doctors. Do you know the doctors what type of dress they used to wear? The white coat, and the stuff they will keep in around the neck. So the white coat, white dress. So the doctors and nurses, the policemen, the traffic policemen, not only the policemen, the traffic policemen also they used to wear the uniform. Our school watchman, he used to wear the uniform. So according to their professions also they used to wear the dress. Suppose if the person is going to a hospital, he is a doctor, then he used to wear a uniform. Policeman, he used to wear the uniform. The traffic policeman, he used to wear the uniform. And some more means, who are there? Traffic policemen, the court. So when they are some of them will go to the court, they used to wear the black coat. Judge, lawyers, advocates, they used to wear the black color coats. So that one also like the uniform only they used to wear. So according to the situation, I told you according to the situations, according to, suppose if they are going for a party, they will wear different type of dress. When they are going to the school, the children used to wear the different type of dress, uniforms. So when they are going outside, so according to the professions, according to the situations, so always according to the seasons, always we used to change our dress. The same type of dress we never used to wear. So children, let us have a recap on the full lesson. So the first point is, how do the clothes, why should we wear the clothes? We should wear the clothes to cover our body and to protect our body. From what we should protect our body? The clothes protect us from the hot sun, the cold wind, from the rain and the insect bites. So from the clothes will protect us from all these. So in the summer season, what type of clothes should we wear? In the summer season we wear the cotton clothes and they will keep our body very cool. So in the winter season we used to wear woolen clothes. So woolen clothes, they will keep our body warm. And we wear a raincoat in the rainy season. So in the rainy season we used to wear the raincoat and it will keep our body dry. And children, next we get cotton from the cotton plant. Where different types of clothes are made from different types of. So the first one is the cotton plant. So the cotton, from where we are getting the cotton? So we get a cotton from a cotton plant. So these are coming from the plants and animals. So cotton is getting from the plant and the wool it comes from sheep. The animal, sheep, the most common animal, the farm animal, that is sheep. We get wool from the sheep and we wear a uniform to the school. So according to the professions also, some of them we used to wear our dress. So for example, the school children, they used to wear the uniforms, and when they go for a colleges also they used to wear the uniforms. And according to the parties, according to the functions, according to the situation, how will be there, according to the seasons. So we used to wear our dresses and we used to keep going on changing. And the school uniforms also they used to wear, even the traffic policemen, the policemen, so all they will wear the uniforms. So up to now we have completed our third lesson, children, the clothes we wear. I hope all of you understood the lesson, children. So we have completed our lesson. Thank you.